What's up, guys? Today is Monday, May 15th, and in this video, I am going to teach you the 5 things that helped me start my small business. So, if you want to start a small business and you have no idea where to get started, this might be the video for you. We'll see. Join me. Number one, identify your passion and purpose. You definitely want something that's going to align with something you're passionate about, something you have skills in. You got to have some sort of skill in it, and you have to have some sort of passion. That is going to help you in the long run with basically when you're having those down times, or those tough times. If you have a passion for what you're doing and you have somewhat of a skill, it'll get you right through that. I have a lot of ups and downs, and the ups are really nice. Bad stuff happens, or when I'm really down, things ain't selling, or customers aren't hitting me up. I got to make sure that I love what I'm doing so that I don't quit. You know what I'm saying? And also, having that passion keeps me practicing, keeps me studying, keeps me learning about the craft that I am presenting. So definitely you want to make sure that your passion and your skills align with the business that you're about to start. So that's number one. Number two, conduct your market research. Basically, understand your target market, your potential customers, what they want, and also your competitors. You want to make sure that if there's other people doing what you are trying to do and they're successful, find out what their customers want, what their customers are coming back to them for, and try to work on that. Try to make sure that you can give those customers what they need. If there's another business that's being successful selling certain t-shirts, or whatever that business is. So even if it's like a sign painting business, or like say you're a pinstriper, because that's what I do. Why are people coming to that person? Is it just because they're really good, or is it because they're doing something right, something that they have something of value that that customer keeps coming back for? So definitely study your customers and study your competitors, and that'll help you build your brand and your small business. That's number two. Number three, um, develop a comprehensive business plan. Definitely, you want to have goals. You want to have long-term goals. You want to have that big goal, what you want your business to be, and then you want to have a lot of small goals along the way. Um, the plan should be to meet all those goals. So, say you're an artist and you want to start an art brand. Well, where do you want to be in 5 years? Where do you want to be in 3 years? Where do you want to be next month? Plan it all. Write it all down, everything from your goals to what you've accomplished even, and follow that, and that'll help you be a more successful business in the long run as well. Because if you have goals, then you're going to stay busy, you're going to stay wanting to meet those goals. So that's number three. Number four, um, I say build a strong support network. So whether it's friends, mentors, if you know other people that have small businesses, even if the business has nothing to do with what you're about to do or what you're about to embark on, you want to make sure that you're surrounded by like-minded people, whether they're just friends, acquaintances, supporters, or mentors. You want to be surrounded by people that influence you to be a better person and to build a better brand, therefore build a better business. So that's number four. Number five, last but not least, develop your brand identity. So you definitely want to create a cool logo, something strong, something memorable, and develop a strong online presence, whether it's through your website or social media, or I would say both. Uh, make sure that it's all cohesive. Make sure that when they click on your Instagram and Say you have a link to your website. When they go to your website, it has a similar cohesive look to it. I would say keep everything cohesive. Sounds boring, but you can make it cool. If you have to hire a designer, if you have to do it yourself, just make sure that you have a clean and strong brand identity. That would be number 5. Remember, starting a new business takes a lot of dedication and hard work. So make sure that you're taking calculated risks and make sure that you're educating yourself before you take those risks. Hopefully, it all works out in the end. I'll have more tips in the future. For now, good luck on your new entrepreneurship journey, and I'll see you soon. Later.